When I redid the guest bedroom, I wanted to get a sofa for down here that was durable and affordable, and it had sleek lines with a mid-century modern feel and was just like a perfect little fit for the space. And I found this sofa and I love it, and I'm so glad that I got it.
I love this color, but it flows with almost every room in my home, so that's another thing I really love about it. I love how lightweight it is and durable, that I can move it around to every room in my home and use it in so many different ways.
It came in a big box and I carried it down the stairs by myself, and I opened the box up and I was like, how can this be a sofa? It is so cool how they packaged this. So it ships with the arms inside the base of the couch. It was the seat, the back, and the two sides. And then I screwed all the legs in, and voila, I had a full-size sofa that I put together by myself, with no tools required, in about 10 minutes.
It literally showed up at my door in one box. I was actually very shocked. And it was only 2 pieces really to put together. It was the back, the bottom, and then just screw the legs on. I could have done it by myself, but my dad was already over here, so he helped me do it, and it literally took us under 2 minutes to put it together.
Little did I know that my children would be obsessed with this room. Toys are scattered everywhere. They're jumping all over the bed, all over the couch. So it has gotten a ton of use, and it looks exactly like the day that I put it together. Who doesn't love that?
I've had it for a couple months now, and I absolutely love it. It has held up amazingly. The fabric is super soft and durable. Not only is it a great look, it's a great quality, but it's also a great price. If you're looking to get a Zinus sofa, it's definitely worth it. I love mine so, so much.